Good day everyone! I am Athea Mai Celosa, a psych student from University of Southeastern. I am here to share with all of you about my exercise prescription. So, shall we start? So we have three categories of risk, which are the low, moderate, and high risk. And I belong to low risk because I don't have any medical conditions or issues. So, my first exercise prescription that I will discuss with you is my cardiovascular exercise prescription, which is dancing. I perform this 3 times a week in frequency, then in my intensity is 40 to 60% heart rate reserve, and my target heart rate is 50 to 90% beats per minute. So in order to get my target heart rate we will use subtraction, multiplication, and addition. 220 minus 18, which is my age, then minus it to 60 is equal 142. Then multiply to 0.90 plus 60 equals 18. So my heart rate high interval is 18 beats per minute. Then in my heart rate low interval is still we will use subtraction, multiplication, and addition to get the low interval. 220 minus 18 minus 60 equal 142. Then we will multiply it by 0.50 plus 60 equals 131. My birth rate of perceived exertion is 16. Then the time is 45 minutes. My warm-up is 5 minutes, which is the dynamic stretching in order to prevent injury or mga pamaol. My stimulus is 25 minutes, and my cool-down is 5 minutes, which is the static stretching. And my number of cycles is 4, then the type is dancing. So the next exercise prescription that I will discuss with you is my muscular exercise prescription. As what can you see in my table, and training age is how old I was, which is I'm 18 years old, and then my goal is to gain weight and strength. My volume is moderate and my frequency is 2 times a week. My session or duration is 75 minutes including the warm-up and cool-down. In my warm-up stretch duration is 25 seconds, then the sets is 2 as well as the reps. Those are the walking knee hugs, arm crossover, and jumping jack. In exercise, as you can see, we have the step up, squat, push-ups, high knees, dumbbell side bend, arm circles, and lunges. So let's start in step up. In sets is I have 3 sets, then the reps is 6, and my rest is 2 to 3 minutes, then the load is 82%, 1 RM, and the RPE, or I should say rate per set exertion, is 15. In squat is I have 3 sets, 2 reps, and I have 2 3 minutes rest. Then my load is 76%, 1 RM, and my RPE is 15. In push-ups is I have 2 sets, 2 reps, and 1 to 2 minutes rest. Then I have 70% load or 1 RM, and my RPE is 18. In highness, I have 2 sets, 2 reps, and 2 to 3 minutes rest. Then I have 70% 1 RM load, and my PRE is 18. In my dumbbell side bend is I have 3 sets, 2 reps, and 2 to 3 minutes rest. Then my load is 18% 1 RM and 15 in RPE. In my arm circles I have 2 sets, 4 reps, and I have 2 to 3 minutes rest. Then my load is 82% 1 RM and 17 in RPE. Lastly is lunges, and I have 2 sets, 2 reps, and 1 to 2 minutes rest. Then my load is 82% 1 RM and 15 is my RPE. Next is in my cool down, we have the inhale, exhale, shoulder stretch, and hamstring stretch. with the 25 seconds of duration and 2 sets, as well as the reps, which is 2. Why I choose the exercise for cardiovascular and muscular resistance exercise prescription is to enhance my mood, to gain strength, prevent sickness and laziness, also to boost my self-esteem and self-confidence. That's all. Thank you for listening and watching.